Gwaza Mkhonto wesizwe Gwaza, Viva President Jacob Zuma, Viva MK Youth League, Viva MK Student Movement, Viva Umkhonto wesizwe Women's League. No, it is a morning, comrades. You know what is happening to President Jacob Zuma and what they are doing to President Jacob Zuma, what they have been doing to him for all these years. It is not good. It is not a good thing, as we saw ukuthi namanje. They are demanding him to pay imali legal fees wakhe. They expect him always to account. Yet we have a so-called president called Cyril Ramaphosa who will not account, not even one day. Who we know that kunemali eyathola phansi kwamatrasi wakhe. Even today he has not accounted. Who today unomshana wakhe okuwuthi uthatha ama-billions and billions laphayana eThembisa Hospital. Today lo muntu loyo uyamphika ukuthi hayi mina angimazi lo muntu loyo. Yet there are even videos ezikhombayo asemzini walo muntu loyana angaphandle laphayana. But yet uyamphika. I can tell you, if it was maybe ingane kaPresident Jacob Zuma oyi-one who was involved with scandal esifana nalesa seThembisa Hospital that involves a lot of money eyama taxpayers, who today you would hear Abo Helen Zille wanting to comment about indaba zaka President Jacob Zuma. If you were to ask the DA right now, what is your comment kule ndaba seThembisa Hospital? All of them, they are quiet. All those who came for President Jacob Zuma, who said Zuma must fall, Zuma must fall. You would ask yourself this question, Uguti, where are they today? Billions and billions are gone. Our people are suffering. The people at Thembisa Hospital abanawo nemibhede. And those people who are suffering, abantu abamnyama. Yet you have political parties who are saying, no, Tina, we stand for abantu abamnyama. We are advocating for issues of abantu abamnyama. The people of Ekurhuleni are suffering. The question is, philama party that came for President Jacob Zuma? Kwelinye leqiniso ngeke silibalekele, guys. When President Jacob Zuma was still the president of this country, our people went suffering. Njengoba sibona manje abantu basafara under the leadership of Cyril Ramaphosa. And some of these leaders ezenu enithi nizozivotela enisazivotela, where are they? They are quiet. When some of you are voting for them, today you have people who want to say, no, imali yama taxpayers, say President Jacob Zuma, President dead. Yet there are billions and billions that are gone, involving abashana babantu, involving some of your ministers, involving some of your leaders, abama political party, lawani walandelayo. And those, all of you, you are quiet. And I think also it's about time ukuthi nisibuze lo mbuzo lona. Why every time it has to be President Jacob Zuma? Why every time President Jacob Zuma must be the one to account? Why all these people are coming for President Jacob Zuma? Why the mainstream media, anything that has to do with President Jacob Zuma, they will make it trend? It's only one, a stupid person who will not see, who will not reason to see the reason why they are coming for President Jacob Zuma. It is because of the only person who cares is President Jacob Zuma. The only person that can be compared to even General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. As we know, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi cares about people of South Africa. The only person that can be compared to him is President Jacob Zuma. Unlike some of these leaders of yours. And that's why, South Africans, I can tell you this for free. If some of you will not face the truth, if some of you angeke nizicabangele manje and ngeke nizimele manje, I'm telling you, these things will keep on continuing, and some of us will continue to suffer. Because of right now, even now, this is where you'll get to see that they want to shift the things. That's why even the thing of General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, they are trying by all means ukuthi bayenze ngathi no, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was wrong. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi was not wrong. And that's why for some of us, we stand for the truth. For some of us following Umkhonto weSizwe, it is because of we know that our people, the people of South Africa, abantu abamnyama, under the leadership of President Jacob Zuma, went suffering. There were schools that were built. There were universities that were built. There were hospitals that were built. There were houses that were built. Izinto went expensive the way they are today. Ukudla bekungaduri. The unemployment rate, you cannot compare it today. And those are facts that ngeke uzibalekele. That's why I always say you can hate President Jacob Zuma as much as you want. But one thing that you cannot do, you cannot argue with the fact that there were results when he was a president. Under the leadership of Cyril Ramaphosa, the only things that he's producing are bad things. The only people that he's producing are people who are corrupt, just like him.